going to start or shall I start?
Oh, I don't know. What shall we do?
Shall we make it a bit different this one?
What do you start?
No, you start.
Hola.
Hola.
And welcome to the channel Between the Lakes with Mike and Yvonne.
Where are we?
We are here at the Ozone Centre.
It's great, isn't it?
Yeah.
You see the bowling behind us? We're going bowling in a minute. We're meeting. Who are we meeting?
We're meeting Anne and Gary.
Anne and Gary.
And Grahame and Julie.
Yeah.
And we're going to have a game of bowling.
Who do you think's going to win?
Me.
Are you? Okay, we'll see. We'll see about that.
Probably not. That's wishful thinking.
Anyway, how old do you think this place is?
What, the whole centre?
Yeah, the Ozone. This is the Ozone Leisure Centre
Yeah.
in Torrevieja. It's a big leisure centre. It's got a Rennes, a Subway, a KFC, a The Good Burger, Cucina Lebanese,
Taco Bell.
a big bowling alley, and just here there's a big cinema, a big massive cinema. It's a big complex, quite big, it takes a big footprint, and it's like an entertainment centre. How old do you think it is?
10, 12 years?
We've been here since 2017, haven't we?
Yeah,
we were here
we were
then.
here then.
So we know it were here then,
Yeah.
so that's 9 years ago. But it looked very, very new, didn't it?
Yeah.
It's actually 25 years old. They were built in 2001.
Wow.
And the habaneras were built in 2000. So they built the habaneras, and then a year later they built this big centre. Does anybody remember the Yorkshire linen shop?
There's one in Casada.
There's one in Casada, yes, and there's one just here. I'll show you a picture now. Just where that Mercadona sign is, this is obviously new, the Mercadona. It was about where the Mercadona sign was. It was the building just in that position. That's where it used to be.
And there were a Chinese shop next to it.
There was. Right, we're going to go and play bowls now.
Yep.
So come on,
Let's wait for the others.
let's crack on. Any problem with your bowls?
Yes, it's rubbish.
Orange line. Want to see you going down to the
Yeah, I've just picked one of them. That says large.
Oh, eh?
Medium ones.
Oh, eh? Quality, quality. So after your first effort,
Which you missed. And
which I missed, and you got a strike,
Yes.
let's see if you can do it again then.
The proof's up there.
Go on then, come on, let's see you do it
This'll be
again.
rubbish now.
The pressure's on now.
Let's do it again. Oh, well done.
Well, hey, what a team, eh?
From. Whoop.
You've got the eye, you have. That's a good one.
Oh, it's a good one. Whoa.
7.
Good one.
You've got 7.
Oh, that's looking good.
I don't know. I don't understand how scoring goes.
Way gone. On film.
Not bad. I'm getting my eye in now. It's coming in.
Looking good. Yay! Oh, that's a good. Oh, stubborn one. Oh.
8-8. Oh, not bad for an older, not bad for a pensioner. Come back in again.
Split. The first 4.
I'm googling why there's red
The red 7, the red
circle
8s and
on the
that.
sevens.
Yeah.
Oh, there's on 7s and 8s.
Yeah.
It says, a red circle around a number in temping bowling indicates that a split was left on the first ball of the frame.
Okay.
It signifies that the head pin is down and at least 2 non-adjacent groups of pins remain, making spare conversion more difficult.
Yeah.
Do you understand?
I don't really do.
No, I don't either. Nearly.
I very unfortunately missed Yvonne's two
I can't
strikes.
believe you missed them both.
You missed. I missed them
I've
both.
actually had 3.
Have you?
Yeah,
Not first ones though.
yeah.
Really?
The first one on each game, I
Yeah.
got strike.
I've got some.
I've had 3 full strikes.
Have you?
Yeah.
What?
Got any of them?
Who's winning though?
I don't know. Because scores. I want to finish.
That's too much.
I did unfortunately miss Yvonne's strike, but all is not lost.
Proof is on the scoreboard.
The proof is on the scoreboard. Oh! What happened this time then? What happened?
Don't know.
You get these though, Gary. Confident. Oh, it's coming in. So this is the entrance to the car park of the Ozone, and it's only €1. And this is the Wok buffet. Been here for years. We've never actually been in, but I think we will do one day. They've just started doing a meal of the day for $12.95, and they're doing all-you-can-eat menu for $20.95. This is the menu del Día board, $12.95. 3 courses, or 4 if you include the sides for the main, and then 4 you've got the flano, helado, or cafe or tea. This is the car park at the Ozone Centre, and we pan round here we can see the bowling, and then further on there we've got another building which is where the cinema is housed. This is Ahmed, very, very popular during the COVID crisis back in 2020, 2021, where people used to get injections and forms and all sorts of things to do with COVID. So, on that note, oh, by the way, who won the bowling?
Well, I came a close second.
A close second?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Who came first then? Well, modesty prevents me from telling you who came first. Just cleared my throat there.
And on that note,
On that note, it's time to wrap the video up. So, it's a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, a thumbs down if you haven't enjoyed the video. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already.
because it's free,
And don't forget to hit that notification bell. 3, 2, 1.
bing!
Adios.
Yes.
So good.
Oh!
One film. Oh, that's a good one, Mike.
Hey!
Your adventure.